What's happening YouTube? Boy Tech TRX back in our video. Today we're looking at the EZVIZ, the battery powered video doorbell. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, we're gonna open this up and see how well it does. It is also app powered, as you can see here, with iPhones and also Androids. Let's open this up. Here we go. Comes with an instruction manual right here, and it does have where you want to put the placements of your chime. The packaging is really nice as well, as you can see here. Has the chime right here, the doorbell over here, and the accessories right in here. More instruction manual in there. Comes with different angles as well for mounting. Couple of gaskets and the stickers that of where to put on the screws. Comes with this sticker as well. Bunch of accessories like a charging cable, screwdriver, screws for mounting, and more paperwork, as you can see there. And that's really it for the box. So this is the doorbell here. It has the camera right about there and an ambient sensor or sensor up there as well. Mic on the front. Has a clickable doorbell right there. Speaker on the side for talking, because this one you'll be able to do a two-way talk. You can charge there with micro USB. This, you can put the screws there. You can use the existing doorbell wiring so that you can charge it right there. And then the power button right there. Let's turn this on. There it is. As you can see, it is battery powered, and I was able to turn it on without any wiring. Pretty nice. We got the Wi-Fi chime here as well, as these two antennas that you can bring up like so that you can extend the range of it. This is how you power it up. You just plug it in to a wall. Micro SD slot on the side as well, and the reset button right there. It has this speaker on the front here for the doorbell chime, and an indicator light in the front. So the app we're looking at today is the EZVIZ app. As you can see here, we're just going to install this, make a new account, and then we're going to add the new device. I found that the setup is really easy. Really just pretty straightforward. Just scan the QR code on the back, and then you just add the new device, connect it to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and then should be good to go. I also installed the camera right on my door here, just a couple of screws, and it just used the flat backing there, and it worked out really well. Now I really like the clarity of the video here because it is actually good for 2K resolution. It also provides a 5-meter infrared night vision for 24/7, peace of mind. So you'll be able to see everything in detail and clear image. The chime to the doorbell is also good within the 5 meters away. The camera also has a 176-degree viewing angle. You'll be able to see a wide angle here, which is really nice. It also has a PIR human motion detection, which is smart enough to distinguish people from pets or objects. You can customize the alert triggers condition to adjust its sensitivity as well. You can also customize the sound of the chime. So the app is pretty easy to use actually. You just click the camera here, and there is the live view where you could see what your camera sees right now. Here, there's a few things that you can change, like saving. You can look at the history. You can change the definition. You can talk as well, so that you can talk to people. Two-way communication. You can even change your tone here with the clown or uncle tone. There's also recording, so you can record footage here and take Snapchats as well. Here you can look at the history as well of the what the camera had detected through cloud or micro SD as well, which is really nice. You can do playbacks, download the footage if you wanted to. Save it on your photos if you want on your phone. I like how you can look at the history as well by dates and different events, PIR events that happen throughout those dates as well. Really easy to use. There's the battery button as well, so you could see how to change the battery. And here there's also the automation. Really useful if you have Siri automation enabled. Be able to set triggers and then have actions for those triggers as well, which is very handy to have, so that everything is automated. You don't have to touch anything, it'll do it for you. Here they also have intelligent detection, which varies on how much you want the device to use the battery. I just set it to automatic so that I can still have the power saving on the battery, but it also has the human shape detection, which is really useful to have. There's the notification as well, and there's the tamper notification if someone tries to take your device. There's also the doorbell sound, which there's few sounds here that you can use, all free, ready to go. You can change the voice changing intercom settings as well. Make your own if you wanted to. You can change the image settings as well, which is the streaming. You can enforce day mode or enforcing night mode. It's really up to you. Or you can also do just plain day mode. During at night, it would still have a color vision that I showed earlier, which is really nice. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a battery-powered video doorbell. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.